Hey, beautiful people! Welcome back to your favorite corner of style, self-care, and kitchen magic. Dress, dine, and shine. Today, we're diving deep into something that might just change the way you look at your kitchen waste forever. Do you ever wonder if you're literally throwing away beauty secrets every time you peel a fruit or vegetable? Well, you are. Welcome to Peel Potion, the untold beauty code hidden in your kitchen, where glowing skin, shiny hair, and natural beauty begin not at the salon, but in your fruit bowl. So grab your banana peels, potato skins, and orange rinds, because what you're about to learn is deliciously magical. Banana, orange, potato. Let's peel back the secrets. Pun totally intended. Section 1. The hidden power of peels. You've been told to eat your fruits and veggies. But what about the peels? That humble outer layer you usually toss? Turns out, those peels are powerhouses of nutrients. Banana peels equal potassium and antioxidants. Orange peels equal vitamin C and citric acid. Potato peels equal iron and anti-inflammatory compounds. Cucumber peels equal silica and hydration. Apple peels equal anti-aging polyphenols. Nature doesn't waste a thing, and neither should we. In fact, ancient beauty traditions across India, Egypt, and Greece used kitchen scraps, especially peels, in tonics, masks, and scrubs. Fast forward to today, and science backs it up. It's time to say goodbye to chemicals and embrace peel power. Section 2. Banana peel, the skin savior. Let's start with this humble yellow fruit, the banana. What's in the peel? Lutein fights acne. Potassium hydrates skin. Antioxidants slow aging. Banana peel facial rub. Rub the inner side of the peel directly on your face. Leave on for 15 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water. Result: brighter skin, reduced pimples, and natural glow. Banana peel plus honey mask. Mash banana peel, mix with 1 teaspoon honey. Apply for 20 minutes and rinse. Great for dry skin and blemishes. B-roll of host applying and removing the mask. Section 3. Orange peel, the brightener. Next up, the zesty, citrusy orange peel. Packed with vitamin C, boosts collagen. Natural AHA, exfoliates. Antibacterial properties, fights acne. Orange peel powder. Dry peels under the sun. Grind to fine powder. Store in airtight jar. Orange peel glow mask. 1 tablespoon orange peel powder. 2 tablespoon yogurt or rose water. Apply on face for 15 minutes. Benefits: brighter skin, reduced dark spots, even skin tone. You can also mix it with honey for a refreshing tan removal scrub. Section 4. Potato peel, the depuffer. Let's talk potatoes. The peels are amazing for your skin. Potato benefits: starch reduces puffiness. Mild bleaching agents lighten scars. Anti-inflammatory, great for dark circles. Potato peel eye pads. Chill potato peels. Place under eyes for 10 to 15 minutes. Goodbye dark circles, hello fresh eyes. Potato peel toner. Boil peels in water, strain and store. Use as a cooling mist. Skin soothing and redness reducing. Section 5. Cucumber peel, the hydrator. Now let's hydrate. Cucumber peels are rich in silica, strengthens hair and nails. Water, moisturizes skin. Vitamin K, calms puffiness. Cucumber peel gel. Blend cucumber peel. Add aloe vera gel. Keep in fridge. Use it as a face mask, after sun gel, or even a cooling scalp pack. Cucumber peel hair rinse. Boil peels in water. Cool, strain, and pour post-shampoo. Your hair will thank you. Soft, shiny, and refreshed. Section 6. Apple peel, the anti-ager. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, but the peel keeps wrinkles at bay. Rich in vitamins C and A, polyphenols fight oxidative stress, firming agents. Apple peel scrub. Blend peels with oats, add a dash of milk, scrub gently on face or body. Apple peel vinegar toner. Ferment apple peels in water plus sugar. Strain after a week, dab on skin, diluted. Natural glow without the price tag. Section 7. Hair care with peels. Yes, peels are amazing for hair, too. Banana peel hair mask. Blend banana peels with coconut milk. Apply to scalp for 30 minutes. Strengthens roots. Orange peel dandruff remedy. Orange peel powder plus yogurt. Apply on scalp, leave 20 minutes. Fights flakes and itchy scalp. Potato peel rinse. Boil in water and strain. Last rinse after shampoo. Boosts shine and volume. Nature's hair spa is already in your kitchen. Who knew? Section 8. Sustainability and beauty. This isn't just about beauty. It's about being eco-conscious. By using peels, you reduce kitchen waste, save money on cosmetics, avoid harmful chemicals, protect your skin and the planet. So next time you think of tossing those peels, think again. You're holding an all-natural spa in your hands. Section 9. DIY Peel Potion Recipes Roundup. Quick summary of all peels and their use. Banana peel rub, acne and glow. Orange peel mask, brightening. Potato peel toner, anti-puff. Cucumber gel, hydration. Apple scrub, anti-aging. Hair masks and rinses, shine and strength. Save this part, screenshot-worthy beauty recipes. So, there you have it. The magical, mystical world of peel potions revealed. Who would have thought your trash bin was hiding the secret to glowing skin and luscious hair? Tell me in the comments, which peel are you most excited to try? Or do you have your own family recipe? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dress, Dine, and Shine, where beauty, style, and sustainability come together to light up your life. Until next time, stay glowing, stay radiant, and don't forget to shine from the inside out. Star Leaf.